What if I can tell you that you can make money online with affiliate marketing and you can make thousands of dollars per day just by setting up on autopilot? Well, here's the thing, guys. I understand that maybe most of you guys who probably don't know about affiliate marketing, but if you let me teach you and show you step by step on learning how to put an online business together, then guess what's going to happen? You're going to start making thousands of dollars every single time when the person decides to buy a product from you and make a commission. Okay? So if you like this video, then give me a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you turn the notification bells on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money. Hi, my name is Shaquan Moultrie. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 3 years now, and it completely changed my life. And the reason why I say that is because I like to teach you guys how to make money online, especially if you are a beginner that's looking for the online affiliate space to make money. Okay? So, without that being said, if you like this video content and you want to learn more about my future updates on my YouTube, then go ahead and like this video now and give me a subscribe. Turn those notification bells, because I want you to be notified every time I upload a new video, so you could be the first person to watch this video. Okay? So without that being said, guys, let's just head over to Digistore 24. Alright guys, so Digistore 24 is an online affiliate marketing place right there that you as an affiliate, you are there to promote other affiliate. You are there to promote other vendors and services, okay? Products and services, so you can make a lot of commissions, okay? You can make between 75 to 100% commissions on a daily basis, okay? So that's when you want to start generating some income. And why not generate some income and sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of your day with your family and stuff like that? So guys, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this type of content, just make sure you give your boy a thumbs up, please, because it really helps your boy with this channel. Okay, I just want to grow my channel right now, and it would be so thankful if you do that for me. Okay, let's go. All right, y'all. So what you want to do, you want to head over to a register button now, and then what you want to do, you want to register as an affiliate. You want to put your username. You want to put your email. Repeat the email, password. Repeat the password. Choose a time zone. If you're Mr. and Mrs., if you have an extra title, if not, leave it blank. Just fill out the rest of your information. Make sure you fill out your correct information, so that way Digistore can know that you're going to get paid, okay? So make sure you correct everything, okay? Put all the correct information, okay? Your credentials, all that, because it lets Digistore 24 will let you know when you have a payment that's coming through, okay? So you're going to be notified every single time in your emails, okay? So without that being said, let me log into my back office to Digistore 24, okay? And then we're going to hit Marketplace. All right, guys, so what you can see right now, you get digital products, and you get event, seminar, services, and physical products. Okay, but we're not doing physical products. We're gonna focus on getting. We're gonna go for this product called manifestation. Okay. All right. Okay. So pretty much the one we are looking for right now, we are looking for the one that's paying like $16. So the average commissions is 65 commissions, 65% commissions, and the earnings is $16.58. But you can turn that 16 into making thousands of dollars. So if you get like, say you get like maybe over 100 people in a day, say like 16 times 100, that's $1,600 just off of 100 people that signs up or decides to buy the product from you that you're promoting. okay, that you're promoting. So basically, we're going to promote this product. So basically, what you're going to do, you're going to come over here, you're going to hit the promote now button, and then once you hit the promote now button, you're going to have a link that say this, okay? This is a short video, all right? And then what you want to do, you want to come over here to a website called TikTok. Now TikTok is one of the largest social medias out there, and I can tell you on Similar Web right now how many visitors are here right now. You get 1.8 billion monthly visitors that comes here every month. Okay, so that means a lot of people that's on social media, like TikTok is a social media, because TikTok, you can do a lot of funny things. You can actually make money. You can actually do like commercials. You can actually do ads and all that stuff. So basically, guys, this is the 100% free traffic that you, as an affiliate, especially as a beginner, as an affiliate, you are the one to promote your products. So basically, guys, you have to upload a video. So what you want to do, you want to come back to a website called, you want to go to a website called Pexels. Okay, give me one moment, guys. One moment. Sorry about that. One moment. All right. So what you want to do, you want to come over here to a website called Pexels, and you want to download your video, okay? So whatever niche you in, if you want to go for a manifestation, I'd rather do that. I'd rather for you to come up with a manifestation. Because see, mine's is manifesting my dream house, okay? Manifesting my dream house, okay? So that's what I want, okay? So that's what I set up for. So I'm growing this. I'm about to start growing my social media TikTok because you could get free traffic if you participate in this participate of this step-by-step tutorial video as I'm showing you. So now the next step, what you want to do, you want to head over to another website called rapidtags.org. Okay, and then what you want to do, you want to type in manifestation. Okay, you want to type in manifest house. Okay, want to hit generate. Okay, manifest house, manifest a house, manifest a new home, manifest new home. So what you want to do, I manifest a house, manifesting a house. See guys, manifest dream house fast, or manifest your home. Guys, you can do this. So I will leave the link in the description down below so that way you can get full access to this, okay? So that's what I want you guys to do, okay? And you want to go to another website called bit.ly.com, okay? So make sure you go to that website called bit.ly.com and you want to register for your free account. And then once you register, then you're good to go, okay? That's all you have to do, guys. So I know you want to make money online. This is the best way how to do it. So, so you can get away from having stress, okay? So the best way to make money online is to do it the right way instead of doing it the wrong way, okay? So without that being said, guys, thank you for watching my video and make sure you take action now, okay? And then on top of that, I do have a number one recommendation. If you really want to make $100 to $500 per week, and I have a link in the description down below. The first link will be the first link will be in the description down below, so that way you'll be full access to watch the 3-minute short video and get started. Okay? Right. So without that being said, guys, my name is Shakran Motri, and thank you for taking the opportunity to watch this video. And I hope you guys have a blessed, safe day. Bye-bye, guys.